Good afternoon. How are you doing? I hope you are doing good. Um, as usual, I normally make a video telling you how to make money online. Why? Because we are living in a time where even Jesus was saying we must help people, teach them to know how to go and catch the fish than to give them one fish. So that's why I'm consecrated my life to helping you step by step how to get money online. For example, now we can heard about digital product, digital marketing, how to make money online. You're asking yourself, is it true? Is it possible? Can I make money online? Let me tell you, my brother, my sister who are listening to me right now, yes, this is possible. The only thing you must be serious in whatever you are doing in life. Make sure you embrace it with your full heart. I mean, know very well what you are doing and know the beginning and try to understand where they end. Okay, so if you really interested in making money online, you must be ready for making the sacrifice. For example, you want to be a YouTuber, make the sacrifice, create the video, use CapCut, make the correction, and so on. If you are really focused on making money online and you say, okay, I'm going to embrace digital products, so work in your first product, and when you finish to work on it and publish it, look a way to publish it and look a way to get a payment system so that you can really succeed in whatever you want to do. Be serious in your dream, because what we call dream, the first person going to believe in it is you. And after, when you bring result, other people going to embrace it. But first person who's supposed to believe on the dream is you yourself. Supposed to trust your dream, trust yourself, and embrace it and work hard on it. Nobody get to succeed without working hard. Let me tell you that. And I'm sure about it. It's not easy to go in front of camera, start making video, talking with people. Sometimes many things is happening and so on. But when you're willing to make it different, you will work in whatever the obstacle. If it's the English, like me, you can try. You make the different. You try yourself. You train yourself. You learn more, and you speak more to people so that you can improve your English, your skill, and so on, and to really help people with whatever knowledge you have. So today, me, my focus is to help you to make money now using digital product. How to create your first product, how to market it, where to publish it, and what kind of payment system to set up. That's my goal to you, and I will be very happy to see many of you say, "Thank you, sister, I get there." So if you are really interested, don't forget to subscribe and like, and also click the link and buy your product so that you can learn, or you can be part of our academy, and you can learn how to make money online using your phone and selling digital product on many platform online. Waiting for you in the other side. God bless you.